Hi, it's Beth Pantazzi, the Assistive Tech OT, and I'm going to do a couple of videos to show you the embedded tools in Office 365. So the first that I'm going to demonstrate today is the dictate feature, and this is similar to the voice typing that was in a previous video for Google. So over here, you'll see this little microphone, and if you click on it, it is going to type what you say. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that right now. I had a great winter break! Exclamation point. I relaxed with my family and went for lots of walks. Period. We had a lot of fun. Period. And then as you can see, the little box showed up down here. And if you want to start the dictation, you push the button or you can stop it there. There are settings here. So you can change the language that you're speaking. You can change the auto punctuation. And there's the help options there. So this is a tool that is embedded into Office 365. It is free with an Office 365 membership, and it's a great thing for students to use if you happen to be a Microsoft district as opposed to a Google district, or if you prefer to use Microsoft products to Google products. So if you have any questions, reach out to me at theassistivetechot@gmail.com or on Instagram, theassistivetechot. I would love to hear what you think, and if you have found this to be successful for your students. Stay tuned for further videos on other embedded tools in Microsoft. Thanks.